portable outdoor electric BBQ grills are gaining popularity, especially amongst travelers and apartment condo dwellers. Many apartment owners and HOAs prohibit residents from grilling over an open flame. And electric BBQ grills offer a safe, convenient, and healthy alternative to gas grills. Electric grills are surprisingly powerful, lightweight, affordable, and do a darn good job emulating the traditional grilling experience. There are many products available to choose portable outdoor electric grills, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best portable outdoor electric grills from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Cuisinart 5-in-1 Griddler. The Cuisinart GR4NP1 5-in-1 Griddler is one of the most affordable and innovative flat-top griddle grills on the market, but don't let the price tag fool you. This is a well-made machine. This is a 5-in-1 electric grill and works as a contact grill, panini press, gas grill, flat-top griddle, or half griddle. Most electric grills don't give you that much flexibility. I like the brushed stainless steel housing and the sturdy panini-style handle. The floating cover also allows you to adjust the lid to compensate for the thickness of your food. Number 2. Cuisinart 30-inch Electric Smoker. The Cuisinart COS 330 electric smoker allows you to master the smoking experience quickly and effortlessly. Just plug it in, fill the water pan, choose your favorite wood chips, set the temperature, and drop your food. This electric smoker does everything else for you. This unit is 37 tall and weighs just under 60 pounds, so it's small enough for compact spaces yet surprisingly powerful. The Cuisinart COS 330 electric smoker comes with a 1500 watt heating element, so it's able to soar up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit effortlessly. This versatile smoker includes 3 removable chrome racks that can be arranged for smoking whole birds and large cuts of meat. Number 3. George Foreman Indoor-Outdoor Electric Grill. The George Foreman 15-serving indoor-outdoor electric grill is a versatile, circular-style electric grill that transitions from the patio to the countertop in seconds. There's a lot to love about this electric grill from George Foreman Grilling. The 5-in-1 griddler can handle everything from pancakes to sausages to grilled cheese to steaks, hamburgers and paninis. Its large 240 square inch cooking surface gives you enough space to accommodate more than 15 servings. The grates are removable and made with a non-stick coating. So cleanup is quick and cooking is healthier because you don't need to apply butter or oil to the non-stick surface. The shining feature is the indoor-outdoor removable stand, which gives this George Foreman grill the feel of a traditional grill. If you're looking for a safe apartment-approved grill that cooks just as well on the patio as it does indoors. Number 4. Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill. The Cuisinart SEG 980 outdoor electric grill with VersaStand may only be 22 wide and weigh 16 pounds, but it still packs a serious punch. This 1500 watt outdoor electric grill heats in less than 10 minutes and gives you 145 square inches of grilling space. That's plenty of room to cook for medium-sized groups. This may be the best portable electric grill for travelers or those with limited space. This unit comes with a collapsible stand, which can be used like outdoor electric grills or a tabletop grill. The Cuisinart Outdoor Electric Grill with VersaStand is efficient, road-ready, and ideal if you have limited space. Number 5. Kenyan Portable Stainless Steel Electric Grill. For the fancy folks out there who want an electric grill that's also a flex, consider the Kenyan Floridian All Seasons Grill. It can get up to 600 degrees in about 10 minutes, and it's approved for indoor and outdoor use. And it only weighs 24 pounds, so it's pretty portable to boot. The aluminum non-stick grates will get nice earmarks on your food, with no cold spots, since the heating element is in direct contact with the grate. A waterproof digital panel helps you switch between the 8 temperature settings, and an insulted lid prevents accidental burns. Users enjoy cooking everything from heavier cuts of meat, think tomahawks and ribeyes, to veggies. You'll also have the benefit of being able to put the grill rack and lid in the dishwasher when dinner's over. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products. Is it going to make your life much easier? Thanks for watching. Have a great day.